Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, let me show you how to find your broadcast lists in WhatsApp on iPhone. Now don't forget to hit that like and subscribe and hit the notification bell so you're updated whenever we upload a new video. Stick until the very end so you don't miss a single detail. Now let's go ahead and go to our WhatsApp right here. And then we're going to be going to the settings on the bottom right. And then we're going to be looking for broadcast lists right here. So here in the broadcast lists, you're able to create a broadcast list where we can go ahead and message multiple people at once. If you want to go ahead and create a new one, just go ahead and click on new list right here. Add the recipients that you want. You can add up to 256 people and then click on create. And then you're able to go ahead and use your broadcast lists right here. You can have multiple lists that you want for different groups or broadcast lists. And there you go. I hope you have found this tutorial useful. See you guys next time.